everyone. Let's solve the Leetcode question 2 sum. So given an array of integer nums and an integer target, when we need to return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. So there is exactly, we assume that each input would have exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. Okay, so all the elements in the nums are unique, and we should return the indices of the nums such that the sum of two indices should be equal to this target. Indices value should be equal to this target. Let's see the intuition. Let's check this example. So for the given element, the target value is 9, so the sum should be 9 and the output is 0 1. So this is the index. So the index of 0 and 1, the values in the index of 0 and 1 is 2 comma 7, which we add up together returns 9. So here we can, there are many ways, but most familiar ways is using the hash map and using two pointer technique. Two pointer technique is something which we are going to implement right now. For example, if you see this example, the elements which are the one index and the second index adds up to be the target of 6. Let's traverse to the element step by step, left and right, and then add the elements. If they are, the sum is equal to the target, we will be returning that index's values, or else we'll move the pointer to the left. If the target is less, we will move it to the right. Let's code up the solution. Let's take the left and right as 0 comma len of nums minus 1, and here the elements in the num is not sorted, so let's sort it up. Before that, I'll just create a index value comma index for I comma v in enumerate of nums. It just zips. Enumerate is a keyword which is used to zip this both and give the index comma value, and we will be storing it in the tuple of value comma index. Let's sort this up, and while left is less than right, and if we take the value as v equal to, or let's make it as current, which is more appropriate. So the current element is k of left of 0 plus k of right of 0. So if the current element is in this way, if it's add up to this, we simply return the case index 1 comma k of right index 1. So this is the index value which we are returning it back, and if the current value is less than the target, L plus equal to 1, else R minus equal to 1. So let's check. We are going traversing to these values, and we will be checking whether the sum is equal to the target. If target and these values are equal, we will just return the values of these index and this index, and if it's less, we will add it. Let's check the solution. Target let's make this variable current equal to this. let's submit the solution. So in this way we can solve this to two-pointer technique and sort it. This time complexity is O of log n, since we are sorting it out and traversing it, and a separate space time space complexity will be O of n, as we are storing the indices and the values in this K. Thank you.